Hi, welcome back to Toomnymods Garage. Today we have some more stuff to unbox. This is a little bit different. This is some merchandise I ordered a couple months back. Finally came in. It's going to be merchandise for the Whippld Smurf t-shirts. It's going to be Toomnymods Garage t-shirts and El Diablo t-shirts. I'll open this and show you in just a minute. Let's go ahead and open the Whippld Smurf first.
The blue one, y'all. The Whippld Smurf.
If they're watching my channel, hopefully they know who the Whippld Smurf is. My wife wanted to see them, so I would let her be in here.
Cool. Let me? Really?
Mm-hmm.
I do what I want, y'all.
And I got sizes ranging from, I believe, medium all the way up through 4X. So here's the front of it. Got a little emblem. And on the back has my car with all the car parts and brands that I use in the build.
Oh, that's so cool. I really do like those.
And they're made by Konstant Designs. He does some amazing artwork.
Y'all gonna have to get one because these are super cool. Like, I'm gonna actually wear one. I don't have to wear one, but I really want to wear one.
All right, let's open the other one.
Okay.
And I'll have these with me at every event I go to, as well as all the test and tunes. They'll be with me in these little bags. So go ahead and move this out of the way. And this box is the same thing. It's more Whippld Smurf t-shirts. I think I got like 130 of them. And this one is the Toomnymods Garage t-shirts. My YouTube channel. The same, they go all the way from medium all the way up to 4X.
Oh,
Like
this is both of them. Cool.
This one's a medium shirt, so this would fit like
Colton.
like 10, 12-year-old kids probably. He's got the Toomnymods Garage logo on the front.
I love that.
And on the back, Toomnymods Garage logo. And it has home of El Diablo and the Whippld Smurf with my YouTube channel, Toomnymods, underneath.
Y'all need to get one. They're so cool.
I'll be wearing them out at the tracks. If you see me wearing this, come by and grab one, or come by and talk. If you buy them in person, they'll be about $23 to $25, depending on what size. But if I have to ship them, it's going to have to be at least $30 to ship. Just because when you ship something, it don't matter what it is. If it weighs half a pound or 10 pounds, the pricing starts out at like $10 for a shirt to ship it. So, okay, now that we've seen the Toomnymods Garage shirt, I'm gonna unbox or take this out of the package and show you this shirt. The front has a little devil icon, and on the back has my red Gen 1 words El Diablo and all the companies, the brands that are on my car. This shirt will be the same price as Whippld Smurf. Basically $30 shipped to your door. $23 to $25 in person if you see me at an event. Anyway, click down in the comments. Let me know which shirt you like the best. If you want a t-shirt, go ahead and tell me so in the comments, and I'll get back with you. I'll email you or something, and we set up payment. I'll put the payment in the video where you can send payment, and like and subscribe. That's it for today. Go ahead and check back next week. Thanks.
Bye, y'all.